How many times have you said to yourself, tomorrow, I'll finally fix my routine? You set the alarm for 5 a.m. Imagine yourself studying for hours, exercising, reading, maybe even cooking a healthy breakfast. But then tomorrow comes. And what happens? You snooze, you scroll, you delay. Suddenly it's night again. Sound familiar? If it does, don't worry. You're not alone. Every student struggles with routines. But here's the good news. Once you master your daily routine, you'll have more focus, more energy, and even more free time for yourself. So in this video, I'm going to give you the perfect daily routine for students. One that actually works in real life. Not some crazy 18-hour study schedule that leaves you miserable. Stick with me until the end, because I'm also going to share the psychology of habits, plus real-life tips students use to boost focus, beat procrastination, and actually enjoy their day. Let's dive in. Why routine is important. Now, why is having a row? Utile and even important. Think about your phone. Without a charger, updates, or apps running smoothly, it becomes useless. Your brain is the same. Without proper rest, energy, and structure, your mind crashes. The truth is, students don't fail because they're not smart enough. Most fail because they don't know how to structure their time. They either overwork and burn out or underwork and fall behind. That's why a balanced daily routine is like your operating system. Keeps you consistent, sharp, and stress-free. Discipline beats motivation. You won't always feel like studying, but if your day is designed right, your routine will carry you through. Morning routine. All right. Let's start with the morning. First thing, wake up. Let's be honest. Most students either ignore their alarm or set so many that they end up waking up at 9 a.m. anyway. But here's the truth. You don't need a 4 a.m. wake-up call. The sweet spot? Between 5:30 and 7 a.m. Why? Because the world is quiet. No notificatio. NS, no noise, just you and your thoughts. Here's the mistake most students make. The first thing they do after waking up is grab their phone. Stop. That's like inviting 50 strangers to dump their thoughts into your brain before you've even brushed your teeth. Instead, get up, stretch your arms, drink some water, and open your window to let natural light hit your eyes. It signals your brain to wake up naturally. And just breathe for 2 minutes. No rushing, no panic. How you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Morning study session. Now let's talk about your morning study session. Your brain is sharpest in the morning. Why waste that time on Instagram or random YouTube videos? Use it for your hardest subject. For example, if you struggle with math, solve problems in the morning. Or if you are studying history, memorize key dates. Here's the secret. Use the Pomodoro method. 50 minutes of deep focus followed by a 10-minute break. No multitasking, no distractions. Just focused work. And during your 10-minute break, don't touch your phone. Stand up, stretch, drink water, or look outside. Give your brain actual rest, not more stimulation. Treat your mind with kindness. It's not a machine. Afternoon routine. Moving on to the afternoon. Now, if you're in school or college, your afternoons are probably filled with lectures or practical sessions. This is where most students lose focus. Here's the trick. Don't be a passive learner. Take notes in your own words. Don't just copy everything your teacher says. Your brain remembers better when you process information first. Ask questions. Summarize what you learned right after class. This little habit makes revision later much easier. After class, give yourself a quick 2 to 3 minute review. Think of it as learning something twice without extra effort. Lunch, power break. Lunchtime. After a few hours of classes, your brain and body are tired. The typical student move is to eat a heavy lunch and crash on the company. But here's the thing. Heavy meals make your energy go into digestion mode. This makes you feel sluggish and sleepy. Instead, keep your lunch light and nutritious. Go for a small portion of protein. Eggs, chicken, lentils, and some veggies or fruit. And don't forget water. Dehydration can feel like tiredness, so drink up. After lunch, take a quick 15-20 minute power nap or go for a short walk outside. This small recharge can make a world of difference in your energy levels. Midday study session. Now, let's talk about the tricky part, the afternoon slump. It's tempting to scroll your phone or just stare at your books. Instead of fighting this, use it wisely. The afternoon is perfect for hands-on practice-based work, solve math problems, do past papers, or revise with flashcards. Your brain is slower in the afternoon, so don't waste that time on difficult, high concentration tasks. Stick to activities that don't require maximum focus. Evening routine. After a long day of classes A and D study, your body feels heavy and your brain is fried. But here's the thing. 20-30 minutes of exercise can completely change how you feel. You don't need to hit the gym, play a sport, go for a run, or even dance around to your favorite music. Movement boosts your energy, improves your mood, and helps you sleep better at night routine. All right, it's time to wrap up the day. Before you go to sleep, spend 5-10 minutes planning tomorrow. Write down 3 to 5 specific tasks you want to complete. Not vague stuff like study, but concrete goals like finish chapter 4 of physics or solve 20 math problems. When you plan ahead, your brain can relax, knowing there's already a plan in place. And here's a tough one. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Phones and laptops emit blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Instead, try reading a book, listening to soothing music, or journaling. Lastly, never sacrifice sleep for study. Sleep is when your brain processes E. Thing you've learned. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep every night, finally. Remember, discipline today leads to freedom tomorrow. Stick to this routine for just 30 days and you'll notice the difference. More focus, less stress, and better results. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share it with your friends. And remember, consistency beats intensity. Small steps every day lead to big changes.